it's John Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on how to draw a cartoon. Today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing with you how to do this cute little apple with a little worm coming out. Alright, so if you have your pencil, and you have your paper, and you're ready, and being ready to be creative, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Now what you can learn from this lesson is use your imagination, that I say time and time again. Well, I use an apple, maybe you want to use a pear, or a banana, or even a pineapple. That would be really kind of a fun one. Anyway, so look at some of your fruit and vegetables that you could turn into some fun little cute cartoons. Alright, so thanks for watching this video. As always, have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.